Hi class 5, welcome back to the maths class once again. So in our last class we have completed till how much? Till 40, right? So we are going to complete from there. Okay. So I have taken the sum number 43. So we are going to start from here. Now as you can see there is a vinculum situated over 6 plus 3. So we are going to start from there. So here 35 plus within the third bracket there is 3 whole 4 1 by 4. So 4 3s are 12, 1 13. 13 by 4 of within bracket I have taken for our convenience this 6 as 6 by 1 minus 3 multiply. There is a multiplication in between 3 and the first bracket. So here 9 minus 6 plus 3, so that is 9. Now as 6 plus 3 was first put with the vinculum, so we have completed this first. Now after doing that operation we have found out there is a 9 as well. So 9 minus 9, it gives what? It gives a 0. Now 3 multiplied with 0, it gives a 0 as well. Minus 0. So 6 minus 0 gives what? 6 as usual. Okay. So here see there is a off in between. So 35 plus within the third bracket 13 by 4 multiplied with 6 by 1 we can say. So 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Here now what we are going to do? We are going to multiply 3 with 13. So after we take out the third bracket we are going to get 39 by 2. Now we are going to take a simple LCM and complete the sum off. So here the LCM is 2. Now 35 into 2 gives what? 70 plus 39. So here after addition we are going to get 109 by 2. Now we cannot keep them like this. So we are going to take out its mixed fraction form. So 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8. So 1 is remaining as the remainder. So here 54 1 by 2 is the answer. Now coming to the next one, that is sum number 48. So here also there is a vinculum over 5 whole 1 by 5 divided by 2 whole 3 by 5. So first thing first, we are going to convert all this mixed fraction into its improper form first. So 2 1s are 2 plus 1, 3 by 2 divided, within the second bracket there is 3 whole 9 by 10. So 10 3 is 30 plus 9, 39 by 10 minus within bracket 4 2 is 8, 1 9, 9 by 2 minus 5 5 is 25, 1 26, 26 by 5 divided by 5 2 is 10, 11 12 13. So here there is the vinculum. So we are going to do that first. So here we are going to keep others as it is intact and we are doing it first. Now 5 is cancelling out with 5 and 13 2s are 26. Once again 3 by 2, 39 by 10 minus 9 by 2 minus 2 by 1. Now let's solve it. So after we have taken out the first bracket, we are getting 5 by 2. Within the second bracket, there is another operation. So here, now as you can see, there is nothing in between 3 by 2 and the second bracket. So it means there is a multiplication hidden inside. Okay. So 14 by 10. We are going to multiply 3 by 2 with 14 by 10. So 2 7s are 14. Okay. So nothing more is going to be multiplied. So here we can conclude what? 7 3s are 21 by 10. That means what? We are going to find the mixed fraction. So here 2 1 by 10 is the answer. Coming to the last one of today, that is sum number 51. So here there is no other vinculums given. So we are going to do it straight away following the Bodmer's method. So first we are going to convert this 5 on the 5 plus 1, 6 by 5 multiplied with 12 2s are 24, 1, 25 by 12 divided by 5 by 12 plus 3 into 1 by 12 minus 1 by 15. So here 6 by 5 multiplied with, we are going to do the operation within the first bracket first and here also. So when we are taking the LCM of 12 and 15, what we are going to take? 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15. So 4 5s are 20 into 3, 60. So 12 5s are 60 and 15 4s are 60. So here 12 is cancelled out with 12, 5 on the 5, 5 5s are 25. You see how short this kind of bigger sums can be? 5 plus 3 into 1 by 60. Now we are going to do it once again. 5 is cancelled out with 5 and here 60 got cancelled out by 3, giving a number of 20. 6 plus 1 by 20. So here take the LCM and what we are going to find out? 120 plus 1. So here 121 divided by 20. So 121 when divided by 20 it gives what? 6 are 12 and 1 as the remainder. So here 6 whole 1 by 20 is our answer. So this is it for today and we have complete our simplification. So from the next video we are going to shift to a new topic with new chapter. So thank you for watching till then.